In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace step by step. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this Squarespace landing page tutorial will help you get your new page up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website, and once you're there, you should see the login option. Click on it to proceed. If your browser has your login details saved, this step should be a breeze. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your websites. If you manage multiple sites, simply click on the one where you want to build a custom landing page in Squarespace. Navigating through your sites is quick and intuitive, making it easy to get started. Next, head over to the Pages section of your website. If you're unsure where to find it, it's typically located in the main menu of your website's configuration. Click on it to view all your current pages. To start creating your Squarespace marketing page, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding a brand new page to your site. Click on it to continue. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a few different page types. For a clean and flexible layout, choose the blank page option. This gives you a fresh canvas to build your own landing page in Squarespace and customize it to fit your brand or campaign goals. Once you've selected a blank page, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Choose something short and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After naming your new page, you might want to set it as a primary part of your site, perhaps even make it your homepage. To do that, locate the gear icon next to your new page name and click on it. This opens the page settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Set as Homepage. Setting your landing page as the homepage in Squarespace ensures that visitors see this page first when they land on your site. Squarespace will ask you to confirm this change. Click Confirm to finalize it. That's it. You've just followed a complete step-by-step Squarespace guide to creating your landing page. With these skills, you can now create a homepage in Squarespace, launch dedicated marketing pages, and easily manage your site's content to keep it fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.